remember this? I like that thing you did. So I think you did. Dun, 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 dun,
3 or 5.
dun, that I can do.
Then, yeah, it's more like a 6, kind of. I don't know, an extension, because I know that I have my 6 and I have my. So
Okay.
on your 1, so that classical vibe.
Welcome to another episode of How Not to Play Boring Strings. I know you guys are excited to see this video. I mean, the previous video did absolutely well. I mean, we got a lot of feedback and a lot of you asked of the strings he was using, and I mean, his Logic template is out and this strings is in the template. I mean, what are you waiting for?
Sharps.
Wouldn't you be happy your strings can sound like this? I noticed something. I think there's a pedal point in this.
Yeah. I was supposed to talk about that the last video. I said I'll talk about it. Now, if you look at the screen or the display, you can see that the pedal, when I match the pedal, it changes color, I think, to green or so, and then when I leave it to change. So you can see that I'm taking it out and bringing it. Now, one of the things the pedal does. Now, this is for those that are not using expression pedal.
Okay, yeah, that's true.
Because when you're using expression pedal, I think the work is even way easier.
Yeah.
Where you have to rise up, rise
the
and
volume
fall.
articulation,
Volume articulation and stuff. But then what this does for you is, now you need to build velocity points. I'll call that velocity point, where you know where to hit the strings hard and when to hit it, when to take it slow, so you can. Now you can see that when immediately I'm changing chords, I'm taking off. So so I can play. You can see the rise. Yeah. So the rise and the falling and everything goes together with how I match it. And the reason is because I'm looking at a live orchestra performing. Now, for every note, there cannot be one note clashing into another. Imagine you as a violinist, you are playing one note and then you are struggling to. So it needs to, every note needs to be on that note, as when you have the cello play for, if the violin is playing, cello is viola. So everything is on point. So you need to be very calculative, and then you are not treating strings the way you treat piano. Now, yes. So like I said, velocity point, where you know where to hit. And you must make sure that it doesn't sound like you are using pedal to make that thing.
That's
for some of them, I remember the first time we started playing with pedal. When you play, as if you are changing gear. You the raise leg. So I think that's too.
For those by car now.
Like, so you just.
Hi. So what was that? What's it?
It's just for like changing. I'm just.
Like,
that Disney kind of.
Yeah.
That cartoon that you have that happen.
You can now put to another key.
Yeah. So let me see.
Maybe like a pivot
Let me see.
modulation.
Let me see. Or I can even for me I still do that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We could do this.
Jantu, yeah. And
Wow.
plenty things. But then that's not actually why we are here.
So okay, sir. So sir, let's assume there's a ministration going on in church, or there's a worship session. What song can we play? It's okay because now a lot of people have been okay since they can, you know, not all what Almighty God will actually sound like what we played the other time. You understand? Yeah, you understand. So let's assume there's a worship session going on in church. What song can we? What popular song can we use?
Let's try.
A popular Nigerian song that everybody can. Okay, yeah. So yeah. So
now I think the last time I talked about something like this, I was talking about knowing how to come in and where to go out.
Yeah.
But what is most important is when you are not even playing. That part where you are not playing is what's most important. Not even when you are playing, because that part that you're not playing actually prepares you to know when to play. And when you now play, everyone will be like, yes, you are like you are in. Not the one that you host trains from start to finish. Well done. What's the name of this your guy? Matt Jones. I've been waiting.
Yeah.
So let's do that. You deserve the glory now.
So where was the devil?
You deserve the glory.
Woo! Please now. Please
get my Logic template too. To make this thing easy for you.
You can play this live. Like me, you can play it on stage.
You can play it live for real. No matter how bad the sound is, at least.
Those of you that typed thank you Ubong in the previous video, still type thank you Ubong now.
And buy my Logic template.
Yes, and as you're watching this video, let's give 5 seconds for them. Let's give them 5 seconds. Please like the video.
Okay.
Like the video, subscribe.
For real,
click on the link.
A lot of them don't like to subscribe.
Yes.
See their eye.
Please, the link to his Logic template will be in the description. Click on the link to buy the Logic template. If you want to enjoy these strings, I mean, these strings are rich. You can hear them.
Yeah.
Let's go right into the video. So you deserve the glory.
Yeah.
So I'm going to 6/4. Woo! Please, just sorry for cutting. Sorry for cutting.
When we do this thing now.
I'm just giving you I think what would be nice of you guys. I'm giving you these are helpful tips.
Yeah.
These lines, have them in your head
For
as
real,
well. Yeah, they help because you can improvise them in other songs.
Different songs.
Yeah, different songs. So we're going to go in now. So you deserve the glory. So let's go. I'm doing 7 tricks now. Woo! You are great.
You can build up. Actually didn't know that you to do that at the end. Yeah, but then like that sport was.
Hi, sir. How do you? When they ask, I'm how they take drum.
Jesus.
So in what we just played right now, you are great, you do miracles so great. If you notice, he spoke about build up while we were playing. Yeah, and that's a very vital tip you should know. That's a very vital information you should know. Because you are playing string doesn't mean you should just come in full. If you notice, there was a point he was using just this lower. That was the cello. Yeah, that was the cello. And at some point he started doing some movement. So he was obviously, like I always say in my video that involves strings, emotion, like bringing emotion to the music. I mean, while he was moving, the whole movement he was doing, I'm sure you could feel something inside of you, and there was a feeling you could there was a particular thing you could actually feel, like, okay, yes, this is actually getting soulful, this is actually getting so beautiful. And to be very funny, it's because of the string. I mean, I can play the piano, you have a feeling, of course, but once the strings comes in, is a whole different feeling. So you have to be particular and you have to be intentional about when playing the string, because okay, yes, you deserve the glory. If you notice, he was using, I think, a single note, then resolved to a chord. Yes, he resolved to a chord. Yeah, so that's
out. Yes, then I do.
So those are the approaches we are talking about. I mean, you can see them on the screen. We are still going to go further on this in many of our videos. I mean, we are still going to talk about how to approach strings in complicated songs as well. Because number one thing you have to know is you have to have some beautiful chords in your head. And he's working on his intermediate course rather, and it is something you should have. It's something you should have. I mean, you're going to be having a lot of this thing being spoken about in the intermediate course. And we've come to the end of this video. I'm glad we could share like a few tips with you guys. I'm glad we could share the little we know and the much he knows. And I hope to see you guys. I hope to see you guys in our next video. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share to your friends, like I always say. Share to your friends that need to see this video. If you're again watching this, share to your boyfriend that is a piano player. He needs this thing. You can see this string is what is making me cry. Should we play something? In our next video.